How to request a refund from Air Transat. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can request a refund on Air Transat, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Air Transat account, just like I've done here. And then once you're on this page, the next step is for you to go to my booking. And how do you do that? Once you're on your Air Transat page, scroll down until you can see a mini page which includes flight, package, car, more, flight status, online check-in, manage my booking, and then click on manage my booking. On the manage my booking page, you can see some options that you can carry out. Once you can see this, scroll down and enter in your first name, your last name, confirmation number, and departure date so that you can be taken to your Air Transat flights page. So once you're on the page, look for the option which says request a refund. You'll see it on the page alongst other options. So ensure you select the option request a refund. After clicking on that, follow the prompt, and then you might be asked to fill a form with your details and for the request and state a reason for the refund. So after submitting, you can now track the status of your refund request directly on the Air Transat website. That's majorly how to go about it. And then another way is by contacting the customer support directly. And how do you do that? Move to the top part of the screen where you can see options like book, deals, destinations, travel information, contact us, and click on the contact us option. So by doing that, you'll be directed to the help and contact page. On this page, you can see different options here, such as prepare for your cheap baggages, flight delay, travel credit, groups, lost and found, application, etc. If you cannot find your question there, just go ahead and chat directly with the customer support, or you can decide to make a phone call so that you can easily process your refund. So this is how you can request a refund on Air Transat. Try the method that suits you best and you are good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.